Hey guys, Kimmy Schuller, also known as Kinky, Kurly, Kimmy, and today I'm going to be steaming my natural hair. So, shocker, I've actually never steamed my hair before, and my natural hair has kind of challenged me, or I'm taking it as a challenge, to steam my hair without using an actual steamer. So, I think it's going to be pretty exciting, and it's probably something that I'll incorporate in my natural hair routine. So, I'm going to let you guys know what you need in order to steam your hair or create that whole steaming effect. So you're gonna need products, obviously, like a mask, oils, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna be using the My Natural Hair Hydration Mask and their strengthening oil for this, and so can you. And then also you'll need plastic bag or shower cap. I don't have a shower cap, so I'm using plastic bags, t-shirt, towel, your microwave, and a hairdryer. So without anything left to say, let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair so that I can apply the products. So I'm going to start off by spritzing my hair with a bit of water just to dampen it up a bit because it has gotten a bit dry. Just sort of going to massage the water into the hair. And then I'm going to be going in with the hydration mask. So it says here that the hydration mask is a deep conditioning treatment mask for natural and relaxed hair, and it contains coconut, olive, jojoba oils, and shea butter. So I'm obviously going to be like quite generous with the product. This is a really nice, thick and creamy product, like really thick. A little bit more. Then I'll be going in with the My Natural Hair Strengthening Oil. So this hair oil is for natural and relaxed hair as well, and it's a blend of sunflower, castor, grapeseed, avocado, and sweet almond and olive oils. So I'm just going to take about 3 to 5 drops and seal in that mask. So I'm just going to quickly detangle my hair so that my hair is smooth and I can twist it up nicely. So now I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my hair, and while I do that, I want to tell you guys like the benefits of steaming your hair. So with steaming, the heat helps to hydrate your hair, which leaves your hair really moisturized. And I don't know about you guys, but I love me some moisturized, hydrated hair. It also opens up the cuticles, which is great for low porosity hair. Okay, it helps with product absorption, so your hair is able to absorb the product much better and easier. It also encourages blood flow, so that also would then in turn help with promoting hair growth, which we all love. Hair growth, we all want long, thick, juicy, voluminous hair. It also enhances your curls and strengthens your hair, and it also makes your hair like just manageable. So I know sometimes I feel like, gosh, my hair is like just too much to handle, and obviously doing something that's going to make your hair easier to maintain and easier to manage is always a good thing. Now that you've applied the products and you twisted your hair up, we're going to go on to the next step, which is to take your shower cap or your plastic bag and pierce holes through them. So this is my bag right here. I already like pierced holes through them. I used a fork. So you just want to pierce holes into your plastic bag or your shower cap and then tightly secure it onto your head. Like that, you know, fashion, no. So it's not the cutest look, but it's definitely going to get the job done, and then you can look cute afterwards. So the next step, step number 3, is you're going to take your t-shirt, you're going to soak it in water, wring it out so that it's damp, and then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then you're going to place the t-shirt over the plastic bag. So let's do that. So once you take it out of the microwave, it's literally steaming. You guys can see that. And we're gonna place it on our head. I'm gonna do it like this. So nice and warm, on my word. Once you put the heated steamy t-shirt over your plastic bag, you're going to take another plastic bag and put it over this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a towel and wrap it over that plastic bag so that it's really trapping in the heat. Woo! It feels like I have a lot of stuff on my head, but I can definitely feel the heat inside and it being trapped in it. You know, if you like push it like this, you can like feel the heat in there. So exciting. Then the last step that you have to do for extra heat and extra goodness, you're gonna take your hairdryer and just blow it. You can do this for about 15 minutes. I'm probably gonna do it a bit stop, because mine's not gonna be able to last for 15 minutes, but let's do that for 15 minutes. I'll come back, show you guys what my hair looks when I take it down and what it looks like after it's rinsed. So I'm back and 15 minutes has passed. It actually went quite fast and I can feel the warmth in my hair. Just want to check what it's looking like before I rinse it out. Ooh. Actually gonna take it out and just check. It feels so soft, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go rinse this out real quick and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So I'm back and I just rinsed the mask and the oil out of my hair, and my hair is definitely so soft and moisturized and it's shiny. Can you see that? It's even defined and it has no product on. I absolutely enjoyed this. I'll definitely do it again. It does add like an extra 20-25 minutes to your wash day routine, but you don't have to do it every week. You can do it every alternative week maybe, and it's definitely going to benefit your hair. I enjoyed this. Look at it, so cute. So before I end off this video, I just want to remind you guys the steps. So just to make it quick and simple, you obviously have to start off by adding your product, your mask, your strengthening oil, and twisting your hair up. Then you're going to take your pierced plastic bag or shower cap, put it onto your hair, secure it tightly. Then you're going to take your t-shirt and you're going to wet it, wring it out, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, then add that on top of your plastic bag. Then you're going to add another plastic bag and you're going to end off by adding a towel. And then just to trap in that extra heat and adding extra heat, you're going to go in with your hair dryer, just blowing it for about 15 minutes to just get more heat and more moisture and hydration added to your hair. And then yeah, you're going to be good to go, and then you're going to be able to enjoy the benefits. And I'm going to go through the benefits. The benefits include that the steam just adds heat, which helps to hydrate your hair, which then deeply moisturizes and nourishes your hair. It opens up your cuticles, which is great for low porosity hair. It also improves your hair's product absorption. I definitely felt like it did that, because sometimes when you're applying like a really thick product onto your hair, it's almost like you feel like it's just sitting on your hair. But after I felt my hair, when I was just done with the whole process of drying it with the blowing it with the hair dryer, I could definitely feel my hair was so soft and moisturized that the product was definitely absorbed by my hair, which I loved. It also enhances your curls, increases the blood flow, which helps with hair growth, which we all love, and it also strengthens your hair and makes it more manageable. So if you want to enjoy all those benefits, then what is an extra 15 to 25 minutes added to your wash day, you know, for like extra goodness, extra boom for your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna try this method of steaming your hair. If you do, please do tag my natural hair to show them what you've done and how you've done it. You can even tag me if you'd like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.